Cavities or tooth decay is a breakdown of teeth due to the activity of bacteria which chips away the tooth enamel. This can damage the inner layer called dentin and cause damage to the structure of the tooth. Most people treat their tooth problems at a dentist, but you should know that you can reverse cavities and heal tooth decay naturally. According to a recent study published in the British Medical Journal, cavities can be reversed by a simple dietary change. The study examined 62 children with cavities which were divided into 3 groups. Group 1 ate standard diet plus oatmeal, Group 2 ate the same diet plus vitamin D supplements, while Group 3 was put on a grain-free diet and took vitamin D supplements. The results showed that the first group had an increase in cavities. The second group fared a bit better, while the last group had the greatest improvements with almost all of the kids' cavities healed. Many doctors and dentists have backed the findings of the study and now claim that if you change your diet can result in natural healing of cavities. There are 4 things that contribute to tooth decay: lack of minerals, lack of fat-soluble vitamins, consuming too much sugar and consuming foods rich in phytic acid. Natural ways to reverse cavities. 1. Remove sugar from your diet. This is maybe the most important step. Removing sugar from your diet will significantly reduce the cavities in your teeth. Sugar feeds oral bacteria and prevents a healthy flow of dental fluids and is very acidic as well, which results in demineralization of your teeth and cavities. 2. Consume nutrient-rich foods. In order to defeat tooth decay, you must increase your intake of fat-soluble vitamins and minerals. Eat more leafy green vegetables and foods rich in healthy fats, avocado, coconut oil, along with nuts and seeds to create an ideal barrier against tooth decay. 3. Eliminate phytic acid from your diet. Phytic acid can cause serious health troubles and is often found in grains, nuts and seeds that are not organic or GMO-free. It's a mineral blocker and enzyme inhibitor which prevents your body from absorbing minerals from your food while leaching them from your bones and tissues. 4. Try oil pulling. Oil pulling is an ancient technique that detoxifies your oral cavity. Just put a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth and swish it for 20 minutes. It can be difficult in the start, so try 3-5 minutes in the first few days and gradually work your way up. This amazing technique can prevent tooth decay, cure gingivitis and even reduce headaches as well. 5. Use a mineralizing natural toothpaste. Fluoride-free toothpastes are expensive, but there are many affordable brands which you can buy. You can also try making your own toothpaste at home. The process is very simple. Here's what you need to do. 3 tablespoons of food-grade diatomaceous earth clay. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon of mint-flavored chlorophyll. 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract. 1/2 teaspoon of coconut oil. 1 tablespoon of filtered water. Mix all the ingredients together and there you go, you have your own natural fluoride-free toothpaste. Please subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.